Hello guys, today I'll show you how can you complete your Upwork profile in 100% 2020 and 2021. So guys, make sure watch this video until the end. Here you see, if you notice, this is my profile and I got 100%. So what the problem I faced, guys, when I create my account, I actually complete 80%, then they need a certificate and then need a video. So in this case, I know everyone will face this problem. In this case, what you will do, so I will suggest you some things, then you can complete your profile 100%. So first you need a certificate, so this certificate contains 15% to complete your profile, and need another video tutorial, I mean video overview, that's get 5%. So that's how you can complete your 100% profile. So what you will do if you don't have any certificate, so I will show you what I have done and how can I complete my 100%. So this, I'm going to my profile and this is the profile. Okay, so this is the public view. I want to show you guys. So this is the public view, influencer marketing strategist. Okay, so here we see I added a video overview. Okay, so this video overview give me 5% to complete. So another things I have done, here you see certification. So these certifications have contains 15%. Okay, so here you see pending verification by Upwork. So this is not actually verified certificate, so this is under the verification, but they give me 15% to complete the profile. So what you will do, you just go the certification. Okay, and don't worry, just add any certificate like a wash certificate, data analytics, so anyone you want, just go there and here just click add certification. Okay, here we see this is the way how can you add, and they give pending verification by Upwork. So Upwork will verify your certificate and then they will give you. So we could not verify your certificate, but that's okay for us because they will verify and they will tell us they didn't verify our certificate. But what happened, they will give 15% for the added certification, so you can easily complete your profile in 100%. After completions, then you can remove the certificate or you can add another certificate. This doesn't matter, you can keep it pending like this, so your profile will show like this 100%. Okay guys, so if you have any questions or anything you want to know about the Upwork, you can comment below. I will give straightforward answer and I will try to make more video about Upwork. And if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Okay.